Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're going to be making a delicious chicken curry that's sure to please your taste buds. Let's get started. Ingredients. First, let's gather our ingredients. We'll need 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 onion, diced. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon of ginger, grated. 1 tablespoon of ground cumin. 1 tablespoon of ground coriander. 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 can of coconut milk. 1 cup of chicken broth. 1 cup of diced tomatoes. 1 cup of diced potatoes. 1 cup of diced carrots. 1 cup of frozen peas. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Preparation. Now let's get started with the preparation. In a large pan or wok, heat the vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Add the onion, garlic, and ginger and sauté for 2 to 3 minutes until the onion is translucent. Next, add the cumin, coriander, turmeric, cinnamon, black pepper, and salt. Stir well to combine. Add the chicken and continue to stir-fry for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through. Add the coconut milk, chicken broth, diced tomatoes, potatoes, carrots, and frozen peas. Stir well to combine. Bring the mixture to a simmer and cook for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender and the sauce has thickened. Serve over rice or with naan bread. And there you have it, a delicious and easy chicken curry. Give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for joining us in the kitchen today, and we'll see you next time.